depths of hell. How hot do you reckon that is, Aaron?
Stay back.
Yeah, on top, man. It's gonna fucking just shoot off, bro. Turn around the other way. That shit in the crucible is got.
I think it's fucking actually floating.
Yeah, boy, that sticker got up in there, killer. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, killer, dance, cocky dance. Oh, it's fucking serrating, bro. This is the shit. This is the shit dreams are made of, boy. Get it back on there, cunt.
Look, it blew a hole in it.
Oh, popped it. It's cherry, man. Oh, should we check on the shit in there?
Oh, look at that.
Dancey cocky, get it in there.
Going.
Get it in there, boy. Oh, yeah, right on the hardcore bit. Oh, melted hard. Burning it out. Those cans burn up quick, bro. Yeah, that's it. Get close up. Oh. But that stinks. Oh, yeah, that was nice and air cooled. Do you reckon that shit in the crucible will be melted yet or what? You like that, don't you, cunt? A good fire. This is the best fire I've seen for a while. This is way better than the vacuum cleaner fucking Dyson fucking twin fucking induction spiral of death fucking I've seen Drew do for about 5 minutes before that come overheated, but this is just insane amount of heat coming out of this. Look at it, it's glowing. It's glowing, the top's glowing now. It's gonna start burning a hole through my keg. Just shut it down. Rolling out nicely. Afterburn. Oh fucking, we're gonna have to get some sort of fucking something to pick that up with.